Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Olayemi and welcome to Olayemi Cooking. Today we are going to make coconut milk. So it's an easy recipe. I'm going to show you step by step of how to make an homemade coconut milk. So this is coconut milk procedure. So I'm going to show you how to make it. So I already have my fresh coconut. I already crack it. I already remove it from the shell and also clean my coconut. So I'm going to show you how I make my homemade coconut milk. You can as well scrape the back, that's to remove all this brown color of the coconut, so it remain only the white. But actually this is how I make my own coconut milk if I want to make coconut rice. So in this recipe I'm not going to remove the back, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to use this fresh coconut to make my coconut milk. So if you want to use it to make coconut rice, this is the method of making your homemade coconut milk. So I'm going to cut it into smaller size. It all depends on the blender you have. If you have a very powerful blender, you can just put it like that, just to make it very easy for my blender to blend. So I'm just going to cut it into smaller size, so it will be easy for me to blend and easy for me to get that coconut milk to juice out my coconut. If you have a juice processor, you can as well use that to make your coconut milk, but I'm using blender to make my homemade coconut milk. So I'll also be using this coconut milk to make coconut rice recipe. If you're interested in that recipe, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you are here to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get updated of my new videos and my amazing recipes. And please remember to like this video as well. So I'm about to finish cutting everything, and as I said, remember to share this recipe with your friends. It's very easy. Coconut milk is very easy to make at home. There's no additional acid to it. It's just a fresh, rich coconut milk. So this is how I normally make my homemade coconut milk if I want to use it for any of my recipe. So I'm going to transfer it into my blender jar. If you're here to like this video, please like, and if you are here to share our video, I'll just add some water so it will be easy to blend, just plain clean water. So I'm going to go ahead and add the coconut water as well. So I normally drink it, but this time I decided to add the coconut water to it to give it that nice coconut milk. So I'll just cover, then we'll start blending. Please remember to share this video. Please drop down a comment in the comment section. Feel free to ask me questions about this coconut milk, what I use my coconut milk to make, and I'm going to share more recipe on coconut as well. So I'm going to blend this until it's very smooth, then we'll proceed to the other step. If you're here to like, please like our video to encourage us to do more of this recipe, more of amazing recipe. I share Nigeria recipe, I share some international share other recipes as well. Please subscribe to my channel. So I have a clean bowl here, so I'm going to use it to extract my coconut milk. So I'm going to sieve the blended coconut to get my coconut milk. So this are I normally do it two ways. So this is the first method I'm going to use to sieve it to get all those perfect juice of coconut milk. So I'm going to sieve it. After sieving this, you can as well blend it all over again with some water to get extra more milk. But I'm going to juice this very well to get that perfect coconut milk. You can repeat this procedure like twice to get more coconut milk. So this is it. So I already juice it, then we'll now proceed to the other side of our coconut milk. Please, if you are here to subscribe to my channel, you are new to my channel, you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to encourage me to do more of this recipe. So this is the outcome. After blending the first one and juicing it, you can as well repeat the same procedure. So I'm going to bring cloth to extract this cloth. I normally use it to extract my food. Maybe I want to make pap, I want to make a cassava starch. I normally use it to extract it. The reason I'm going to this is sometimes you normally still find some particles of that black particles because I didn't scrape it. So you can see it under the bowl. This is what I'm talking about. So I just want to get a perfect mix. So I'm going to use the cloth to extract it. So I'm just going to squeeze it to get my milk, my coconut milk, as I said, just to juice it to get clean and perfect coconut milk. So this is how I normally juice it. I do it two ways. I use the normal filter and I also use the cloth to filter it. So this is the alcohol. You can see it's just little particle that is remaining. You can see how clean our coconut milk looks like. Thanks so much for watching this my coconut milk recipe. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and please like this video. Feel free to share this video. Hope to see you all in my next video, and please be safe out there, and bye bye.